What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lexus ES350 remote key fob. This Lexus ES350 remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on. And then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down. And if we take a look at the bottom of it, we can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on the end of it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch like this. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart, and now we can see our battery right here. And I'm going to use the end of this key just to get under the edge of the battery right here and pop it out of that little holder. Get the old battery out, then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And if we're looking at it in this orientation, I'm going to kind of tuck the bottom edge of that battery in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then make sure if your circuit board has moved around in that white rubber piece at all, everything's sitting back where it needs to be. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, stick our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.